Yep, lay back, put your hands behind your head.
Let your shorts down.
Annie! I almost fell.
Don't go too slow. Let your shorts down.
I almost fell in here.
I'm not worried about going that fast the first time.
Well, you don't want to.
No, you don't want to land short. You should wet your shorts down.
Better get back. Oh, yeah!
Yeah, spray him too. He looks a little too warm.
Yeah, get the kid wet.
Get the kid.
Right in the face.
Holy crap. You gotta go on your back. Don't sit up, you'll bang your head.
Straight like a missile.
Lean back.
Yes.
Lean back.
Lean
back. Do not sit up, you'll hit your head.
Think of it as a lazy boy.
Do not sit up. You're good.
Guys on the
Do it.
You're fine.
Oh, man.
I love that you're up there. That's awesome.
Just push off.
Thanks, Rich. Trying to kill me.
Just push off the edge. We'll take care of the rest.
I can't raise your blood pressure, then what point is there?
I ain't had any adrenaline in a while, so.
Good. Then go.
How much?